Hey everyone, today I got the Pro Edition in, the 2024 Pro Edition from Talk to Me USA, and I want to go ahead and unbox it and kind of show you how things work. All right, so the Pro Edition comes with a lot of accessories. Now this is a limited time model because the 2025s are coming out, so there's not that many 2024s left, but since it's still on sale, I might as well make an unboxing video for it. So this is the Pro unit. This is the box it comes in. It also comes with an additional box, which we'll unpack. All right, so here we go. Oh no, we're gonna open it now and see what's inside. So the Pro unit has its QR code to download the manual. It comes with the Stealth earpiece connector. So this is the one that's transparent that goes in your ear. All right. It comes with an extra battery with a battery clip on it. It comes with a desktop charger. So that plugs into the wall and has the desktop charger there. That's cool. All right. A USB cable in case you want to charge your radio or program your radio through USB-C. Also has a lanyard. And let's get the radio unit. All right, put the box over there. So this is the radio unit here. All right, take that out. And this is what the radio unit looks like. Professional edition definitely is bigger than the standard radio over there, but smaller than the rescue radio in back of it. All right, so to turn it on, that's your volume switch and your turn on knob. As you see, the Talk to Me comes on. And the radio should take about 30 seconds or so to connect to the network. And there it is. So you see I'm on public channel 1. Public channel 1, there's always somebody talking on there because that's part of our publicradioservice.com channels.
Oh, they probably.
And
right.
Got a nice sturdy clip. USB charging on the bottom, or the cradle charging that I showed you earlier on the back end. You can go to the menu, change groups. You can go member to member, visit over the 100 groups that are available on this unit. Plus, if you buy 2 or more, you also get your own private channel as well. Oops, just shut it off. You got, this is your member and group buttons, your up and down buttons here, your back key, and your menu and your OK key. Also, these act as your group buttons as well. So additional group buttons, this is your push to talk, and that's where you put in your headpiece, either your Stealth or the free shoulder microphone, which I didn't unbox yet. Let me turn this back on. It also has an SOS button on the top. Okay. All right, so I'll leave that there for a second while I unbox this. And this is the shoulder mic that comes with it as well. So you also get a shoulder mic with the Pro kit. So the Pro comes with a lot of different accessories. Look at all the accessories there. That's a lot of different accessories for a radio, for sure. All right, but it's connected back again. And I can test it now. I can just go, radio check, please. Radio check for Chicago. Chicago radio check.
Loud and clear here in Northwest Pennsylvania. Loud and clear in New Jersey. Clear here in Pennsylvania.
Thank you, everyone, for your radio checks. I appreciate it. Thanks again. And that's how it works. It's very simple.
Columbus, Ohio's here too. Sounds good.
Thank you, Columbus. Thank you, everyone. So, as you can see, it works anywhere in the United States. I'm in Chicago, and I just talked to a bunch of people on the East Coast, basically. There was some in Pennsylvania, some in Ohio.
The gang's all here.
And Public Channel 1 is where they're hanging out at. That's a free channel, so you could tune in at any time on the web. You could tune in on the web at any time, and you can listen to Channel 1. Also, if you're in the same group, you can talk to all your radios. There's an unlimited amount of radios and an unlimited amount of groups that you can make with this radio. So, I mean, very easy to use. I mean, honestly, There's no analog on this. This is totally digital. It's based off SIM card service. So you must be near a cell phone tower to use this. And I mean near, like within 10-mile range. This has 700 megahertz capability. So it does pick up the low band of the cellular frequency for a little more distance. It also has the high bands just in case. So this will pick up mostly every single tower frequency in the United States. Also, our standard service comes with AT&T, US Cellular, some Verizon, and Claro included. Our enhanced service covers all the carriers plus 68 international destinations as well. So this is the Talk to Me Pro. Very limited time left on this radio. The Pro is getting a massive upgrade in 25, so it's on clearance in 24. There's maybe 25 left. I would grab this at the price it's at now. It is amazing. I'm Robert from Talk to Me USA. Thank you for unboxing the radio with me, and I hope you have a blessed day.